Welcome to onSodi.com. In the Adobe Camera Raw introduction course, we will show you the important aspects of becoming familiar with Adobe Camera Raw. We start off with an introduction to the Adobe Camera Raw workspace and show you around the various options. Please note that Adobe Camera Raw is often referred to as ACR. The next video explains image navigation in ACR, and the shortcuts and techniques that we show you will also apply to the Photoshop.Workspace. It is really important to practice image navigation because it will save you a lot of time. Camera Raw Preferences is the next video, and there are some very important settings that should be applied here. If you need to, write down these settings for your own reference. The same applies to the Output Settings video, because you want to make sure that your settings are correct before you start working in Photoshop. It would be annoying to find out, after doing a lot of work in Adobe Camera Raw and Photoshop, that you're not working on the correct size file or the right file type. So watch the Preferences and Output Setting videos to make sure that you've got everything right. The final video is about saving RAW files, which is somewhat different to the way that we would save a normal file to a computer. Most saving of RAW files does not need you to click on a Save button or menu. Becoming familiar with Adobe Camera Raw, knowing where the functions and the tools are, efficient image navigation, and the correct preferences and output settings will ensure better photographic results and minimize frustration for you. Practice is really important if you haven't used this software before, because in today's photographic environment, RAW processing is where you do most of your work.